with Lukat Detail Products. Check this van out. So it's not just on the clear coat, it's on the window too, okay? So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna fix that. I mean, here's the question, how do you remove graffiti off of your clear coat, and let alone on the glass? So we got spray paint here, or graffiti, whatever you wanna call it. Either way, you know, this stuff is amazing. It's called Lukat Fix It, and it'll clean it. And let me show you what I mean. Go ahead, step over there. So I don't use microfiber towels and stuff like that. You can if you want, but it's not necessary because you're cleaning, not waxing. When you use Lukat Fix It, you just use a straight up terry cloth towel. Grab a bath towel when the wife ain't looking. Did I just say that? Okay. So I'm gonna put this on, and I'm just joking, don't get mad at me. So this is Lukat Fix It. I'm gonna do a spot right here. Can you see that? So what you do when you use this, there's no wax in this product, so you're not gonna do the circles. What you're gonna do instead, you're just gonna rub back and forth in the same spot, and look how quickly it takes it off. It doesn't matter if the paint's been on there for 3, 4, 5 years. It's a cleaner. It's not gonna remove your clear coat. It's gonna clean the clear coat. So as I'm doing this, it's just removing the buildup, but I wanna do a big spot because it's actually fairly easy to do. Now you're gonna see the spray paint coming off, but you're not taking off the clear. Remember that, this stuff is clear coat safe. You use it to clean. Has nothing to do with shine. As you can see, it's not even putting on a shine. All it's doing is cleaning. All right, look at that. Now, if you want to use a machine, go ahead and polish it out. Just clean it. It just breaks down the spray paint, all that other stuff. You can use this to remove, you know, overspray, tree sap, tar. You go off-road. Man, if you got a truck and you go off-road and you hit all that brush, you get the scuffing. They're not scratches, it's just scuffing, but you can clean it up really well. Now I'm gonna do the window part. See the window right here? So I'm gonna put some on right here like this. Do the exact same thing, back and forth, no circles. Okay? It not only cleans your windows, you can actually remove dust streaks and water stains with this product. It is amazing. Look at that. It just goes right through it. Look at that, it's the spray paint coming off. Okay. So, if your paint job is old, faded, and oxidized, you can clean it with this. If you get overspray, spray paint, water stains, tree sap, tar, use this to clean it. It's an excellent, excellent cleaner. Now, I'm gonna wax it right now with this. It's called Easy Wax. So you use the cleaner to remove the buildup, but you use the Easy Wax in tandem with the cleaner. This is a conditioning wax. So from this point on, if somebody were to tag your paint job again, you'll be able to take it off with the wax. Because the wax leaves a layer of wax on top. It's carnauba with polymer and copolymer conditioners. You put it on, let it dry, and as soon as it dries up, voila, look how beautiful that comes out. I mean, that's a quick little job. We'll be doing some more demos right now on the rest, but I wanted you to know, if you get graffiti on your car, you come out surprised, a parking post hits you and you get that yellow streak on there, it's windy, a shopping basket hits your car, this product is excellent for fixing stuff like that. So it's called Lukat Fix It. Give us a call, 304-8652. Any questions? Ask me. I know a lot about detailing, you know, especially stuff like this. So call us, and hope to hear from you.